In the state of Maine, there are close to 30,000 people who live with Alzheimer's. That's according to the Alzheimer's Association.
This week, advocates will be in Augusta pushing for more legislation to support those afflicted with the disease and the people who care for them. We're learning more about their efforts.
Alzheimer's is a disease that affects so many people in Maine and across the country.
For 2025's Maine Alzheimer's Advocacy Day, advocates will be urging lawmakers in Augusta to consider a few bills this legislative session.
It's a real public health crisis, but unfortunately, it's not talked about enough.
Jill Carney with the Maine chapter of the Alzheimer's Association says one centers around a prevention program, adding that the Maine CDC continues working with organizations addressing the disease.
Work with a group of stakeholders called the Healthy Brain Initiative stakeholder group here in Maine that includes the Alzheimer's Association and others.
Another bill would establish a public awareness program and funding.
Running ads and, again, encouraging people to reach out and providing them with tools to do that, and also information about warning signs.
The third bill advocates will be highlighting is one sponsored by Representative Kristen Cloutier, which would provide more funding for short-term care options, or better known as respite services.
The Mills administration had a very successful Respite for Me pilot program, which ended at the end of last year. Really showed a significant demand for respite services for dementia caregivers.
Alzheimer's Association Maine chapter and other advocates will gather in the Hall of Flags tomorrow morning at 8:30. If you'd like to join, you can register online at alzimpact.org/Maine. There's also a 24/7 hotline for Alzheimer's related questions. That number is 1-800-272-3900.